Hi, good evening, Kalyani and Chaitanya. Good evening, Amisha Garu.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Recording in progress.
Okay. So today we are going to discuss about introduction to Salesforce, right? So it is a CRM application. So in this, what we are going to discuss. So I know that you are going to be new to Salesforce, not sure exactly where to start with, how to use it. Right now, we'll come to know where to start with and all those stuff. Before getting deep into Salesforce, right? Before getting into Salesforce, actually all the data got scattered. Right, all your data, some of the data will be in the mail, some of the data will be in Excel sheet, some of the data will be in a palm top or some of the handheld devices. Some of the data will be on the notice board. It is going to be in different place, right? Once the Salesforce has been introduced, right, all the data got organized in place. Before that, we should know what is a Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud-based software company which provides software solution and platform to the user and developer. It is providing software solution and also it is providing a platform for the users and developers. It's a cloud-based application, it's a cloud-based software company. Got it. So now we should know what is Salesforce CRM. It's a cloud-based CRM platform used to supercharge every part of the company. Say it can be marketing, sales, commerce, building your app, services, and so on. Like we have many cloud are there here in Salesforce. Like not only marketing, sales, service, e-commerce, building, right? We have IoT, like we have analytics, like we have different types of clouds are available here. Got it. So now, who has launched this Salesforce? Like, he's a person called Mark Benham. In the year 1999, he has launched this Salesforce. Right? Before he was working with Oracle Corporation, he came out and his team together, jointly together, has introduced this Salesforce actually. Right? So he's a person called Mark Benham. Right? After the Salesforce, we can see all the data are at one place. Right? So you can able to see the data in all the data, right? So organize the data you can see in the palm top or any handheld devices. You can see the organize the data. Got it. So now after Salesforce, no need to worry about about the note you left on your desk. right? File you have to store on your hard drive. You can find everything you need simply by logging in. So no need to specify, no need to save it in the hard disk. Everything is going to be on the cloud, right? Just you log in and you can get the details here. You no longer need to worry about updating your manager, how things are going with your top deals in flight. Instead, your manager can just log into your Salesforce account and you can see the latest data. Visibility is one of the key benefits in the Salesforce here. There are powerful security sharing features that protect the sensitive data here and ensure the risk folk see the right data, right? So there is security is also provided here. It protects all your sensitive data, right? So you can see the right data here. Got it? And why should we go for Salesforce? What is the necessity to go for Salesforce? When you go with traditional system, right? You have to go with the when you go with the traditional system and you want to develop an application, you have to go with several steps. So right before implementing an idea, you have to buy and set up your hardware setup, right? After setting up your hardware, you have to install the software and you have to define the users and set up the analytical tool here, and you have to build the security and you have to create the social media. Then you develop the app and then you're going to test it. After testing, right, then you're going to deploy your app. It takes such a long time. It's going to take such a process, such a long time, right? The product process is going to be tedious. But here, when it comes to Salesforce, directly, if you have an idea, directly you're going to build an app. And if after testing, you're going to deploy your app on the app build, on the app store, right? So only 3 steps you're going to do it. But here, the traditional system, the legacy system, you can see here, right? So it takes several steps. You don't need to worry about your setup, your installation software, your user access, your setup analytical, building security, social media. All those things are not required. You don't need to worry about all these things. It will be taken care of by Salesforce. Only thing is that your idea, you're going to build your application, you're going to deploy it. That's it. That's why we go for Salesforce. That's why we go for Salesforce. Right? Why should we choose the Salesforce CRM? Because it is easy to use. Right? First reason we choose the Salesforce CRM is easy to access and use here. We just need to log in and can start using it from the anywhere. I can able to log in and I can start using anywhere from anywhere. I can able to use it here. The user interface is going to be quite user friendly and it is being customized, right? All effortless. Got it? So then it is cloud based, right? So the Salesforce brought the sales into cloud. This is the first company who brought the sales into cloud. And Salesforce CRM is cloud based, hence provides a lot of flexibility to its user. It provides a secure cloud infrastructure and provides the cloud solution for sales, marketing, analytics, and etc. It provides a secure cloud infrastructure, right? And it is also providing a solution for sales, marketing, analytics for everything, right? At the same time, it is going to be multi-tenant platform. So you know what is multi-tenant, right? In the apartment, multiple tenants will be there. So here, so Salesforce is going to be what kind of architecture is going to maintain? Is going to maintain multi-tenant architecture. We're going to discuss about multi-tenant architecture now immediately. And all its users have the same infrastructure and software, right? So there will be a common platform, and here we're going to have single database. Inside the single database, we're going to store all the data, right? You might think, can't it be messed up? No, right? Because we're going to maintain a separate metadata, right? All your information will be stored in your respective metadata. Because of this, all users receive automatic seamless update, keeping your data secure, right? So we're going to maintain the architecture is going to be metadata, multi-tenant architecture. So multiple tenants are going to maintain the data here. For which we're going to use a multi-tenant platform here, right? And then we go with multiple integration options. The Salesforce CRM has integration option possible with help of open APIs here. It allows the organization to map the business on the Salesforce platform more efficiently. It allows the organization to map the business with the Salesforce platform efficiently here. So it has an integration option also. You can pull the data from SAP to Salesforce or from Salesforce to SAP or with some other technology also, or from Oracle apps from Oracle apps also from here. From Oracle apps you can integrate it and you can to pull the data into Salesforce, right? Or you can pull the data from Salesforce to Oracle app also. So you can integrate with any application, any technology. Got it? So like, Salesforce is available in mobile also. Right? Salesforce provides the CRM platform in the mobile. It is one of the earliest companies to provide the features in to the user here. It allows us to run the business or execute any task using mobile. Right? Anything you can use with mobile itself, you can use, and you can do all your transaction with the all your Salesforce transaction can be done with the mobile itself. Right? So you have a mobile CRM also here, and it has a best very good support. Right? All over the world, you have a support here. You have a community. Right? So customers can connect with the community and they can pose their questions, everything, they can get the help. Right? They also support developers and the business activities. Got it? So that is why we are choosing the Salesforce CRM. It is also one of the leading CRM platform to provide various customized services to its customer, partner, and employees. And it provides various customized services, right, for customers, partners, and also for the employees. It provides a platform to build custom app, page, component, and so on, right? Salesforce architecture is going to be a multi-tenant architecture or multi-layer architecture. Already I told you that Salesforce architecture is going to be a multi-tenant architecture, or it is called as a multi-layer architecture. It is going to be a multi-layer architecture. It contains series of layers, right? And you can see the layer like this. The top layer, right? You can see here, it is going to be users, right? This user belongs to Sales Cloud, is connecting with Sales Cloud. This user is connecting with Service Cloud, and this user is connecting with Marketing Cloud, and this user is connecting with App Exchange. It's like App Store, right? So the next layer is going to be Salesforce One app. It's a mobile layer, right? The next one is Salesforce One platform API layer here, and then we have platform service in the layer. Like we have Force.com platform, Heroku platform, and so on. Right at the bottom layer, you're going to have a kind of social, right? Mobile, analytical, and different clouds are available. Right. This is the architecture diagram of the Salesforce. It is all multi-layer. It has a different layer, right? But we are going to elaborate discuss about Force.com platform. So in this entire Salesforce, right, admin, we are going to even admin developer, we are going to connect with Post.com platform, right? We are going to connect with Post.com platform here. Got it? So now in this multi-layer architecture, the user are at the topmost layer. The user can access a layer below the user layer, which means the various cloud offers by the Salesforce, such as Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, App Exchange, etc. The third layer is a Salesforce One app, which allows the user to access the Salesforce on mobile device. Right? The last layer contains various other Salesforce platforms, such as Force.com, Heroku, right, Exact Target Fuel, etc. It is giving different types of platform. It is going to have a different types of platform. Got it? So likewise, right, we have a different types of platform, right? So it is going to be multi-level architecture. Right? This is how the multi-tenant architecture will be here, right? Core architecture of Salesforce, multi-tenant, we're going to have metadata and API. Now you can see multi-tenant. So multiple tenants will be there. They're going to use a common application here, and they're going to connect with the different data, the metadata. We're going to have a single database. We're going to have a single database. Inside the single database, we're going to maintain only single database. But what kind of database, whether it's going to maintain Oracle database or it is using Oracle database, SQL database, we do not know. Right? But it is going to maintain a single database. In the single database, what we have a metadata. This is one metadata, this is another metadata, this is another metadata. So this metadata has been connected with client A. Assume that it is connected with client A, right? So for this metadata is associated with client B, and this metadata is associated with client C, right? Client A is going to connect with a common application platform, and it is going to store all the data into the metadata 1 or metadata A. Similarly, client B is going to connect with the common application and is going to connect with the metadata B. And client C is going to connect with the common application. It is going to store it in metadata C. Right? So likewise, it is going to store with multiple metadata. Right? So so this is what we call as multi-tenant architecture. So this is what they're going to use same application, right? And they're going to store the data using this but when it stores the data, it is going to store it in different metadata. We should know what is metadata. Metadata is nothing but data about the data. Metadata is nothing but data about the data. Got it? So in the multi-tenant application, there is one common application, service to multiple clients. Developer can create an application, upload it onto the cloud, and share it with multiple clients. Just now I told you. The major advantage of this multi-tenant architecture is that it becomes cost effectiveness because all the clients are going to use the same application. So because of that, no need to create a separate new application. Right? It is shared with multiple clients. So the cost will come down. Right? So development maintenance cost of an application can be shared at once. This makes an application very economical per client. Also, if the developer provider wants to make any update to the provider, software she can directly update it just in one place. Right? Already I told you yesterday itself. Any update has to be done, will be done at one place, will be shared among with multiple clients. Update, like how we do with mobile, right? The update will be done at one particular place. Right? We all get the update here. We're going to select the update and we'll update the mobile phone. Same way here also, we're going to update our application. Right? So now we're going to discuss about what is metadata. Metadata is nothing but data about the data is called metadata. Right? Salesforce platform follows the metadata development model. Metadata means data about the data. Whatever data you have, it is going to have the information about the data also. What is the data all about? What for it is used? It will have the information about the data also. Salesforce stores the metadata in the shared database along with the data. Right? So it's going to store the metadata information along with the shared data. Right? The shared database along with the data. Means that it shows the data as well as the what the data does. Just now I told you. Right? It stores the data along with the data. It is going to store the information about the data also. That is what we call as metadata. As we can see in the below diagram, the tenant specific data ensures that the common data is only shared with one tenant, not with another tenant or group. Got it? So based on below diagram, I can ensure that common data is only shared with the multiple tenants, with one tenant, not with other tenant groups here. This ensures that security of data even with this shared database. Security issues got resolved with the multi-tenant architecture because all the data is stored in the different levels in form of the metadata. Right? You will not get messed up. All the data will be stored on its own metadata only. Right? All the metadata resides on now database, one single database. Right? So this is how the architecture, metadata architecture. Right? It's a web browser, right? Runtime engine. So there will be tenant specific metadata will be available or common metabases. All the data will be stored here. The shared data will be stored in this shared database. Right? So like tenant specific data will be stored in the separate metadata. This is the architecture. Got it? Right. So now metadata. I told you consider that three clients A, B, and C. Already I showed you the diagram also. Right. The picture also. A, B, and C client is here. Got it? So the clients will have access to their own metadata from the shared data. So each client will have separate metadata. This ensures that you don't get into someone else's metadata. I told you this point. There's also increase the security of the shared database. Developers just need to create the application, deliver the application to respective client metadata. Developers just need to create the application, deliver the application to the respective client metadata. Got it? So now this API, the Salesforce metadata-driven model, allows the developer to create their application easily with the help of various tools. So here, you know what is the API? It is called Application Programming Interface. So like here, Salesforce metadata-driven model allows the developer to create their application easily with the help of various tools. That is nothing but your API. So sometimes developer needs some more functionalities for their app to make some modifications. To make some modifications that the Salesforce provides a powerful source of API here. Sometimes it has to modify, it has to integrate with some other application. For this, what is required? Your API is required, right? So Salesforce is providing a lot of API. These API helps you develop the customize the Salesforce mobile application. These API allows various bit of programming to interface with each other in trade-off. Without knowing many details, we can able to connect our application with other apps. These apps helps you develop to access the app from any location, right? With the help of API, I can able to integrate with some other application. I can connect with the various interfaces, and then I can trade off here, right? I can access each any apps also from any location using the API, right? So likewise, each and every technology goes with a lot of API. We're going to make use of the API, and we tend to integrate or we try to store the data with the help of API here. Got it? So now coming to edition, what are the different editions that are available? We have something called Lightning Essential, Lightning Enterprise Edition, Lightning Professional, Lightning Unlimited Edition, and Developer Edition. These are the different types of edition that we have. These are the different types of edition that we have. Got it? Now let me see what is Lightning Edition. So Lightning, if you're going to use a Lightning Edition, Salesforce provides only CRM application to be accessed here, right? Only 5 users can able to access. It's going to be Lightning Edition. Whereas coming to Lightning application, any number of users can able to access this CRM application, and also declarative programmatic access will be provided. So here we are going to use declarative programmatic access, means that you're not going to write any code. Without writing any code, you're going to use declarative method and you're going to create an application. Right? But here you can use CRM application, and the programming access also given here in the enterprise edition. But how many number of users can connect? Any number of users can connect here. Whereas coming to Lightning Professional, right? So you are allowed to access complete CRM application, right? But in this edition we get the declarative development and visual force page only, but not programming. What is visual force page? Visual force page is nothing but HTML, right? HTML code I can able to do here. So we cannot write the Apex programming here in the Lightning Professional, but any number of users can able to connect it. So they can use visual force page, they can use declarative and declarative access here, but no programmatic access is given here when it comes to Lightning Professional. But any number of users can able to connect here. Whereas coming to Lightning Unlimited, all the access will be given here. You can use CRM, you can use programmatic, right? You additionally 100 users can able to connect here, right? 24/7 support will be given, right? Developer assistant, online training, everything will be given here. Whereas coming to developer edition is meant only for developing, right? Only the developers will use this developer edition, right? It provides access to many of the features available in the enterprise edition, right? So whatever is there in the enterprise edition will be given here the developer edition also. Got it? Now coming to edition and pricing. So you just go to Google, and you can Google and see the Salesforce edition and pricing. Right? There is something called Essential, Professional, Enterprise, Unlimited editions, right? One provider, for example, when you use Essential edition per hour, or like they cost about $25 or per month. And we're going to be professional, so it is going to be user, right? Based on user USD, or per month it will be billed for $75. We use enterprise edition, it is going to be $150. It's going to be unlimited, it's going to be $300. But now it has been increased. This is old data. But now it is increased. You can go and see the Salesforce edition, right? You can check it. Go and check it. The new version, new kind of interface will be there, and you can see that the editions will be there. Charges will be increased now. It will be changed now, right? So now coming to Salesforce license, I told different platforms are there, like CRM, Force.com, Community Cloud, Charters, and so on. Now see here, now Sam, like there are different users I can, like Sam, like Ram, right? So like Mano, and then like Chitra. Here we have 4 different users are there. Now coming to Sam, Sam is using a Salesforce license. He can connect with CRM, Force.com, Community Cloud, Charter, everywhere. Can connect with anything because that's a Salesforce license. Whereas coming to Ram Kiran, right? He has only community license. That is what happened. He can able to connect only with the community cloud. Whereas coming to Ram, he has Salesforce platform license. Except CRM, he can connect with Post.com, can connect with community cloud, he can connect with Charter Cloud. Right? So then, so that Rama is having only Charter license. She can able to connect only with the Charter here, not with other thing, right? Other platform. right? So here, what we understand, like based on the license, you will be allowed to connect, or you'll be allowed to come or connect with the different platform, right? So once you get unlimited edition, so you get 5,000 charter license free of cost. So that you can connect, you can create 5,000 users, and you can chat with multiple you outside, right? Internal user or external user, to anybody can able to chat with. Got it? So once you get unlimited edition, the Salesforce itself is giving 5,000 free charter license, right? So that you can make use of it, or you can make use of it here. Got it? Salesforce is providing free charter license. Got it? Right? So this is all about the Salesforce license. Right? And now see here. So license designed for those users who need access for both CRM application for that platform. So Salesforce platform license, right? So license designed for those who need access to only post.cot platform, right? User with license cannot access CRM application. Whoever is creating CRM application, whoever is having Salesforce platform license, right? They cannot access CRM application. I'll show you later in the demo class. When I teach you profile, that time I'll show you. So if at all you've been assigned the Salesforce platform license, you will not be able to connect with CRM application. Whatever app you create that you don't have an access to it, or whatever object you create that you do not have an access at all, right? So that case we have a Salesforce platform license. But how many licenses will be given now? Because we are using training. We are using a training platform now, right? Whatever now you're going to connect with the production environment is going to be a training platform, right? We're going to train yourself. So they have been given only two licenses, Salesforce license. So one already is used to you. The other one you can use it to somebody else, right? So using Salesforce license, you can connect with anything else. You can do anything. But with platform license, you cannot do anything. Like community license. License designed for customers, partners, or retailers to log in, make the self-service. Right? So you can connect with customer, partners, retailers to log in, make the self-service here. Charter license. This license is designed for those who do not have a Salesforce license but need access to the chat. Right? Who do not have an access, right? They do not have to access to anything except the charter license. Got it. The next one is environment. What is the environment that we have? Right? We have production environment, we have development environment, testing environment. So the moment you register yourself, where you're going to land up, you're going to land up your production environment. You're going to land up your production environment. Got it? So, but coming to development, there's the developer console along with the production environment. In case you want to write coding, right, that case you're going to connect with your development environment. Got it? First coming to testing, right? You have a sandbox, right? But here the training production environment is not provided. They are not provided with the sandbox, so that you cannot be able to test it here. It's an instance of force.com. It is used to test the application functionality without affecting the production environment, right? So, but here automatically can test it, right? Actually, we require sandbox environment which is not provided, but in case you want it, you can purchase it. Got it? What is sandbox? Just now I told you sandbox. What is sandbox? So, so instead of directly connecting with production environment, I can also connect through sandbox environment. I can do all my whatever things I can able to do with production environment. I can do with sandbox environment itself, right? So sandbox environment is created for several purposes like training, development, testing, and so on, without affecting data and configuration Salesforce without affecting the Salesforce instance, right? I can able to train, or I can able to develop, or I can able to test my application here. I can test my application. What? This is all about environment here, right? Now coming with the products and services. Salesforce has different products like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, right? So like Commerce Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Collaboration Cloud, Analytical Cloud, Community Cloud. Likewise, we have different types of clouds are available. We have different types of clouds are available. And comes to Sales Cloud, right? Right. It is meant only for sales. What is only meant for sales. So here using you can able to integrate all the customer related information in one place. So it is also including your marketing, your sales lead, right? All this customer services. So it is all included here in the sales itself. Business analytics, right? Everything provides access to various applications through app exchange also, right? So Sales Cloud allows the business to grow their account faster, get new customer, close the deal faster, and these tasks can be performed from anywhere, right? So in the Sales Cloud, right, all these sales pertaining to sales, you're going to maintain your application, you're going to maintain your data only in the Sales Cloud. Got it? Whereas coming to Service Cloud, so this is an extension of Sales Cloud, right? Here you're going to provide the service the moment you get any product, right? So the customer care will call you and they will try to provide you the service. There comes up a service start from there, right? In case you get any problem, you can contact them using various platforms like instant messaging, Twitter, Facebook, right? Social media, other social medias you can connect and then can send a mail also, and then with the help of different channels you try to connect with them and you rectify your problem, right? Salesforce Service Cloud is a SaaS service. So builds on the Salesforce customer service platform. It provides 360-degree view of smarter, fast, and personalized service to the customer. Sales Cloud is built on different Salesforce metrics as a average cases per day, cases by issues, resolution time per customer, and so on. Right? It provides a service in different metrics here. Right? So by cases per day, case by issues, and so on. Got it? Whereas coming to e-commerce cloud, you can build your e-commerce cloud like B2B or B2C application, and you can maintain them, right? For which they are providing e-commerce cloud here, right? You can maintain all your customer e-commerce website. What you're going to do, you're going to maintain all the customer details here, right? And you can do shopping, right? So like buying latest fashion, everything, right? For which you're going to maintain the application in the e-commerce cloud. Then next one is marketing cloud. So you try to market your products, right? You're going to analyze your products right after. So for which what is required, you require a marketing application. You're going to maintain the marketing application and other tools here in the marketing cloud. Got it. The next one is collaboration cloud, which is called PIP. You want to collaborate with right people to the right channel, right? So here you can maintain a community or collaboration application, everything in the collaboration cloud here. So whether you can create a public group, private groups, right, and so on, and you can connect with the group here, and you can collaborate with each other, and you can exchange your thoughts and everything here. So that to maintain the application, to maintain the tool, we require a cloud. Here we have a collaboration cloud, right? Analytical cloud. You have to analyze your application, right? So in order to analyze, we require analysis application here for maintaining, analyzing data, right? Visualization, dynamic visualization. For all these things, you're going to use a analytical cloud. Likewise, we have different clouds are available for community. We're going to create a community and we're going to maintain the community application and tool in the community cloud here. So we're going to exchange our information, thoughts, your data can be attached here. You can connect a pool, right? So you can discuss all the information with the internal user, external user, right? For which we require a community, and other information has to be rectified here. Their thought they can exchange here. All those things can be done. For which we can create a community cloud, or we can create a community application, and we're going to maintain it in the community cloud, right? Likewise, we have different types of clouds are available here. Apart from this, we have different services like Salesforce One, Force.com, Work.com, Data.com, Desk.com, Do.com. We have different Salesforce.com services. So Salesforce One is meant for mobile application, either going to Android or iOS. Force.com can be developed application using object programming or visual purpose language. Work.com, right? That is for managers and employees to improve the work performance. Data.com is mainly for business, for directors and business professionals to exchange their business information. Desk.com is used here in the call center, right? For to solve your customer issue. Do.com is based on task management system for different business small group. Likewise, we have different platforms that are available services and platforms are available in the Salesforce. Got it? So what are the different salaries provided by admin and developer? These are the old data, but now it has been increased, right? Whereas these are the data based on US and UK. Got it? And what are the certifications we have? We have a lot of certification available here. Like you start with Salesforce administrator, right? Then you can go with so only you want to go with the administration. That case you can go with advanced administrator, platform app builder, right? Then you can go for service cloud, right? Sales cloud consultant, service cloud consultant. In case you want to go as a developer, you can do your certification called platform developer one, platform developer two, and so on. Because a lot of certifications are there, can go by step, and you complete one certification you call 1x certified. You complete two certification you call 2x certified. When you complete 3x certification, you're being called as 3x certified. So likewise, so many are there who have completed 30 certifications, right? They are called as MVP. Got it? So like what is overview of App Exchange? I told you App Exchange is a place like a Play Store. You can deploy all your applications on the App Exchange. Right? Say free application is also there, paid application is also there, right? This is all the old data, right? So like, but now the ecosystem of over, it is not 5,082 applications. More number of applications are there, right? So lakhs and lakhs of applications are available here. According to business need, you can search and you can check and then you can see for the reviews, right? Like how you do with Amazon and Flipkart. Similar way in the app exchange, you can able to view all your details and then you can download your application on your own cloud, not on your own system. Got it? Like empty number of applications are there. Got it? So declarative application, declarative customization, right? I'll discuss tomorrow, right? But before that, what we do now, we have to create an like what we have to do, we have to create the registration now. Right? First of all, we have to create the registration. I'll show you how to create a registration now. And let me go for a demo. Right now, let me show the registration. Now, what you have to do is that first you have to go for developer.salesforce.com. Right now, I'll go to my browser and I'll show you. See, I'm going here to developer.salesforce.com. I'll press enter now. So I'll go to my developer.salesforce.com. Right, where I will go here, right? I'll go with connect. I'll go with Trailblazer community. Oh, Okay. And go with developer.salesforce.com/signup. See, now when I go with developer.salesforce.com that sign up, I'm directly getting into sign up page. Right? This is a sign up page. So where you have to go? You have to go with developer.salesforce.com/sign up. Right? Here you have to enter the detail here. Your first name, right? And your last name, your email address, and your role, your job role. You can say developer or administrator. Company name, you can give any of your company name. Right? And country, region, you're going to give India. Right? State, provinces, which state you belong to. Right? I belong to Andhra Pradesh. Right? What is your postal code? I'm going to enter my postal code 530048, and you have to create a username to be in the form of email ID. Right? I'm going to give Rakesh, right? Raki, right? 73 at highwaylabs.com. Right? I agree then I'm going to say I agree the main services, agreement development service, Salesforce program agreement here. Then you have to click on sign me up. It will take some time. Right? Already have a Salesforce developer account, you can log it. If you don't have, you have to go with developer.salesforce.com/sign up and you have to sign it here. So once you're done with it, right? So here, complete the form to start a free trial. Our team will be in touch with you. So now it's almost done here. See, so please check your email to verify your account. I have to go to my account now. Right? So what I do now, I go to my account. I go to my Gmail account here. So here I'm going to enter my password. I'll show you now. So now I got my approval request 2 times. See that? No, not this one. There's another one. I didn't get the mail. I have to wait for some time. And now I got it. See, developer at Salesforce. Welcome to Salesforce Verify Your account. You're able to see it, right? Now verify your account. Click on verify account. It will take you to the production environment, right? But now it is asking me to enter the password. It is asking me to enter the new password. I'll say Raki. Right. I'm going to enter my password here. Okay. I'm going to enter my confirm password. Right. So then, which city you are born? And then click on change password. I'm going to change my password here. After changing the password, right, it takes me to my production environment. It takes me to my production environment. So this is the production environment which you will try to log in. Whenever you try to log in, right, you will get this production environment which contains app launcher, setup, home page, that is home page. Now we have land up in home page. Then it's an object manager to create an object. Right now here we have a profile icon. Right here we have a name of the profile and your URL of the profile, right? Display density, right? Then switch over to classic. This is a lightning environment, and you can add the username also here. Now you have a notification icon, you have gear icon, right? Here from here you can able to move to service setup, and you can go to developer console here. Then we have something called Salesforce help. Then we have guidance center. Then most global actions here. In global action, we have new event, new task, new contact, log a call, new opportunity, new cases, new lead, email, everything is there. Then we have these all comes to global action. Then these all comes to the favorite items. What are the favorite items? You can often log in. Those details will be available here. Got it? And we have all the commands here. So then and there we are going to write here. We have a quick find box. We're going to type the what is it? We're going to type the command. It is going to display the link here, and then you can go to that link here, right? This is a production environment that we log in whenever we try to log in. First, what you have to do, you have to go to developer.salesforce.com/sign up, and you have to log in, right? You have to register. After you register, you'll get a mail, and you have to change your, you have to verify your account by entering your username, by entering the password and confirm password and then security code, right? There are a list of questions are there. And then you can select any one of the questions and you can give the answer for it, and then you try to log in. So it will take you to your production environment. This is the production environment. You try to log in. After this, now go to log out now. Now each and every time you have to log in, right? Each and every time I have to log in. How will I log in now? I'll close this. Again, I'll go to a new tab. Now hereafter, when I want to log in, I'm going to go with login.salesforce.com. I'll go with login.salesforce.com. Now I'm going to enter my username, Raki at 73 at highwaylabs.com. Right? I'm going to enter my password here. Now it will try to verify, because very first time when we try to log in, right? So it will try to verify, or sometimes it will try to log in directly. Right? Actually try to verify, but it is trying to log in directly here. Got it? Trying to get login directly, right? Actually, it has to verify, right? I'll ask your mobile number. The moment you enter and register your mobile number, verification code will be sent to your mobile number, and then you have to enter the verification code here, and then you have to log. Got it? So otherwise, what happens is here, it is bypassing and directly connecting to my production environment. It is connecting with my production environment. Got it? Have you understood this? How you're going to register, right? You're going to log in. Your first exercise is that what you do whenever you are leisure, right? You're free. You try to go to developer.salesforce.com/sign up, and then you try to register. After registering, you go and check your mail and then verify your account. Then it will take you, once you verify your account by giving your correct password, confirm password, it will take you to the production environment. Right? This is what you're going to do. That is your homework. Right? Got it? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll wind up. Right? The remaining thing, we'll see tomorrow. Got it? Right? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Anusha, Ibrahim, Kalyani, Rekha, Shanmugaraj, Shankar Kichupudi, right? Uddanti Chaitanya, like, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, we'll wind up the class. Remaining things we'll see tomorrow, right? We have 5 days class, 5 days demo. Got it? So Monday till Friday, we have for this is the second day. So if you pay the fees, right, and try to confirm it so that after the demo class is over, then in case you want the recordings and your notes, then if you want access, then once you pay the fees, then they'll allow you to access. You'll give an access. Otherwise, they'll not give an access. Only demo access, you will get it now. Got it? Right? 5 days, we're going to have a demo. Right? The second day is over. The remaining 3 days is there. Got it? Right? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Yeah, hello, Rakesh. Am I audible?
Yeah.
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 Yep. Regarding use, little faster in the PPT while you are like presenting.
Okay.
Like,
Tomorrow onwards, I'll go very slowly.
Yeah. And regarding this metadata metadata, it's like kind of customer data.
Data about the data. It's
Okay.
kind of data about the data, right? Already your data is available inside the database. And we're going to have the information about that data also.
Okay.
Because it's only theory, right? I'm just searching up. So
Yeah.
once I start my demo, everything, I'll become very slow.
Okay. And one more doubt is like sandbox, it's kind of environment you are talking about, right? It is kind of
Yes. Or it's a testing environment, or like you can
the training
connect with the
development.
production. You can connect with the production environment also, and it is like an instance of your production environment. You can do all your production, everything from your sandbox itself.
Okay.
Any other doubts? Because it's a theory, right? You will feel very bored.
No, I think it is a basic thing, like, you should understand
Yeah, it's
what is
very
that.
much basic actually. That's
Yeah.
what I'll just go a little bit faster because so that so when I waste time here, no.
Yeah.
So then I have to rush up in main topics. That's what if I rush up all these things. Once I start my topics, right, and then once I start giving demo, I'll become slow.
Okay, got it.
These are very basics actually.
Now, once we register, like you provide this PPT as well, like with this theory part.
Everything I'll provide. Everything I'll provide once you register.
Okay.
Everything I'll provide. I told you, no, whatever I'm saying you, I'll provide you. Will be available in the Graphy platform. You even I have my recordings in the YouTube channel. That also I'll give you. That's what I showed you the access plan, right?
Yeah.
So from there you can select the link and you can see whatever I'm teaching you, same you will get it in the YouTube channel also.
Okay.
Any other doubts? Anybody else? Anybody else has a doubt? Any other doubts? Okay, if you don't have doubts, I'll wind up the class here. Right? I'll close.